Check this out. Let's do something cool. Alright, never done this before. Today, we're doing an unboxing. Well, you'll get to see. Hold on. Ah. Alright, let's get set up. Alright, first off, I want to thank Brian, his Sport Bike Track Gear. You'll see why in just a second. Okay, here we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What could it be? It's a helmet from HJC. Check it out. It is the cool HJC RPHA 70 ST. In size medium. That's a really cool bag. Check that out. Let's look at the bag. Performance reinvented. Nice. So the helmet you saw in the beginning is being retired. This is a chin curtain. Cool. This one, it's the Harley Davidson HDX04. It's pretty much a 3/4 helmet that can be turned into a half helmet. This is removable. I thought that was pretty cool when I first bought the helmet. Talk to me, Goose. Talk to me. Right? Anyway, this, not DOT rated. Basically, it's a 3/4 helmet. So, I'm not cool with that. I was cool with that, but I'm not anymore. So, going into retirement. Pretty awesome helmet though. Really nice profile. I like it. Talked to a kid the other day. He bought himself a brand new Street Bob, and he's gonna get the same helmet, and I told him, but he's still sold on it, so there it is. Alright, this one. Chin vent, pin lock ready, front lock, detents, heavy detents. So if I want to ride down the highway like this, I can. It's not going to flip up on me like some other helmets. Okay, I'm not going to go through and show you how to unlock the visor and all that. I just want to say that vent, it's a beautiful helmet. I was going to buy it in the Vios, in the orange and black, but it's a little too orange, and there's HJC logo on it. It's got 70 ST down the side of it, and it's really too busy, and I have some decorations that I plan on putting on this one. And let's put it on. Same double D-lock chin strap that you've been wearing pretty much your whole life if you've worn motorcycle helmets. And this is supposed to fit true to size. Medium, a little snug, I've heard. Oh, oh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. It is. Oh, man. Okay. Hang on a second. This thing fits beautifully. Cheek pads, wonderful. Fit, fantastic. It was this or the Bell Star MIPS DLX. And the only reason I didn't get the Bell Star MIPS DLX over this was the fact that while they're both eyeglass friendly, this one is supposed to be super eyeglass friendly, and I wear glasses. I normally wear them to drive, especially at night, not so much in the daytime. So let's see. Oh, dude, yeah, that's wonderful. Seeing the other helmet, the Harley Davidson helmet, I was getting really too much pinch in the temple area, and when the glasses would go back, they're pushing against my skull, causing me some discomfort. I have to jack with them and readjust them and kind of pull them out a little bit. But my glasses are sitting on my nose. This is beautiful. Outstanding. I'm really pleased. Love it. On another note, on March 1st, that'd be Sunday, today's March 3rd, which would be Tuesday, I went on a ride down into Kentucky, where I grew up, and let's check this out. Oh, that's beautiful. Anyway, I went down and I rode, and I shot quite a bit of video, and I've put it together, put some music to it. It's about 34 minutes long. I'm going to throw it up, and if you want to watch it, cool. If you don't, cool. Some of you might like it. It's kind of long. I don't expect anybody to watch a full 30-minute, I think it's like 34-minute video. So I'll put it up anyway. It'll take it a while to render. I'll put this one up before I put that one up, just so the rendering time won't interrupt me putting this one up. So there you have it. The HJC RPHA 70 ST. Phenomenal. I mean, I'll wear it more when I go inside, just to wear it around. First impressions, I've never been so impressed with a helmet. I've owned a few. Comes with the pin lock shield, anti-fog in the box. HJC sticker and a nice packet and a manual in, I don't know how many languages do you figure? Probably looks like nine languages. It's a motorcycle helmet. Put it on your head, get comfortable with it, and wear it. Cool. Thanks. Also, there are other changes coming. You may notice, you may not.